Did you know that a small change in your pepper growing routine could double your harvest? Many gardeners unknowingly overlook a simple yet powerful trick that can boost pepper production and give you bigger, healthier plants. But don't worry. Today, we'll uncover the best-kept secret to growing more peppers than ever before. Most gardeners struggle with slow growth, lack of fruit, and weak plants when growing peppers. But by applying this one simple technique, you'll see stronger plants, increased yields, and thriving pepper crops. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a bonus tip that will take your pepper growing game to the next level. Step number 1. Proper pruning for maximum growth. One of the most effective ways to boost your pepper harvest is by pruning your plants correctly. Pruning encourages stronger stems, better airflow, and more fruit production. Start by removing the bottom leaves and any weak or yellowing branches. This helps the plant focus its energy on producing more peppers, rather than wasting nutrients on unnecessary growth. Step number 2. The secret of deep watering. Peppers need deep and consistent watering to produce a high yield. Many gardeners either overwater or underwater, which leads to stunted growth and fewer peppers. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out before watering again. Using mulch around the base of the plants will retain moisture and prevent the soil from drying out too quickly. Step number 3. Giving peppers the right amount of sunlight. Peppers thrive in full sun, needing at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. If they receive less light, their growth slows down, and they produce fewer fruits. If your garden has shady spots, consider relocating your peppers to a sunnier area or using reflective materials to maximize light exposure. Step number 4. Feeding peppers. The right nutrients. Fertilizing peppers the right way can double your harvest instantly. Most gardeners make the mistake of using too much nitrogen, which results in lush green leaves but very few peppers. Instead, use a balanced fertilizer, or one with slightly higher phosphorus and potassium to boost fruit production. A great natural option is compost or fish emulsion, which enhances soil fertility and promotes healthy growth. Step number 5. Spacing plants for airflow and growth. Crowding pepper plants together can hinder growth by reducing airflow and increasing the risk of diseases. Ensure your peppers are spaced at least 12 to 18 inches apart to allow proper air circulation and optimal growth. This helps prevent fungal infections and encourages stronger plants with more fruit. Step number 6. Hand pollination. For higher yields, peppers are self-pollinating, but if you notice low fruit production, you might need to help them along. Use a small paintbrush or your finger to gently shake the flowers or transfer pollen between blooms. This ensures higher pollination rates and results in more peppers per plant. Step number 7. The power of Epsom salt. Here's a powerful trick to supercharge pepper production. Epsom salt. It contains magnesium, which helps plants absorb nutrients efficiently and produce more peppers. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and spray the leaves once a month. This will enhance plant strength, encourage flowering, and result in a massive harvest. Bonus tip. The topping method. For an even bigger boost in yield, try the topping method. Snip off the top of your pepper plant once it reaches 6 to 8 inches tall. This encourages bushy growth and more branches, leading to twice the number of peppers per plant. By applying this simple trick and making a few small adjustments, you'll see a massive increase in your pepper harvest. From pruning and fertilizing to proper spacing and pollination, every step plays a key role in doubling your yield. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to trick for growing more peppers? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gardening tips, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's grow the best peppers ever. Get ready for a harvest like never before.